Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, at the Senzo Mewa KC, things are taking a very crazy direction because it just shows you Brigadier Gininda is always, guys, arresting people that have nothing to do with anything. Ukwabini, guys, was arrested for another case of some gun of some sort. The next thing, pinning him down now on the Senzo Mewa case. Guys. This guy is like really defeating the ends of justice. And the lento ubani okhuluma ngayo manje isikhulunywa uNxumalo exposing this guy. It's just like, bruh, please, are we talking about the same thing here? Are we reading the same statements? Urasavelanga to Brasha Benamalo. I know, actually, no. Urasa was like so confused. So I was just like, hey, guys, like, what are we talking about? Are we reading from the same statement or from the same notes? But it's kuluma isn't they different? That too. Actually, let me break it down to you guys, man. Lo muntu lo uthathe u204 when your case, yes, for accused ongeno accused in as such. Ukwabini also abayi witness or why you accused Dikdala, who could have been accused number 6, and change things around, and then now uzosebenzisa lezo zinto lana. So that's I'm confused. Guys, like, so he was just like, no, what are you even on about? Like, we want to learn. Kwabini is like, he doesn't want to be associated with that statement, right? He has nothing to do with it. Hey guys, Gininda, he's messed up with this case, and that Zungu guy, the constable, who came up with this whole shenanigans of the lies and the fabrication there, and the manufacturing and the cooking. Yes, it's top at end. The statements actually came out with him. There's a certain statement that advocating Gobezulu wanted to be read in that court, and then the next thing Gininda uyasi change around. It's just like no nasty statement ending. Now the stuff that they were saying there is not the same as what Gininda read before. It's a new one now. I'm just like, come on, guys, these people know. It's a lot. You know, originally the state wanted Kwabini to be their witness, and then he refused because he says that he didn't want to be lying like how Constable Zungu came and lied in court. Guys, I'm just like, what? Things are taking another turn in another direction. Although we don't really need all of this. Abantu who actually brought us where we are now. Those are the people we want arrested. The people who were basically at Kelly's house, including her, who killed.
He walked with me to the room where Gininda was.
In your presence, that is in the presence of Sergeant Makhane, was there a register that was completed and signed by Sergeant Makhane to indicate that he was booking you out of Primrose police cells to meet Brigadier Gininda for further investigations?
Kunala incwadi ke lo bizophetheleziko ukuthi ke iregister ke ikhona yini incwadi ke owayisayinda ke yena uSergeant Mukhane eyinkomba ke yokuthi manje useyakhipha ke emaseleni uyokuhlanganisa naye uBrigadier Gininda beqhubeka ke nalo uphenyo. Hayi ayikho. No, there is none.
If you can remember, Mr. Zungu, how much time did you spend in the office where Brigadier Gininda and his colleague Sergeant Mohola was?
Uma usakhumbula ke ukuthi kwaba isikhathi esingakanani ke osichitha lapha yana kwela office ke owawulona ke kanye naye uBrigadier Gininda kanye naye uzakwabo uSergeant Mukhane. Akwaba isikhathi nje phela kodwa ayiside kakhulu. It took some time but not that long.
On completion of whatever that was happening there in the office, in the presence of Brigadier Gininda and Sergeant Mohola, where did you go to?
Sekuqediwe ke konke lokho kwakwenziwa ke lapho nobrigadier Kininda kanye naye-ke uSergeant Mukhula wayaphi-ke wena?
Ngabuyela emaseyilini.
Back to the cells.
Alone.
Wedwa?
Ngihamba nalo ehamba emoto ebomvu engibuyisela khona, nguye wangibuyiselayo.
No, together with the one traveling in the red vehicle, he's the one that took me back.
That is Sergeant Mohola. Sorry, Mohane.
Sergeant Mohane,
Yebo.
yes.
Before you reach your cell, your detention cell, did you go via the church office?
Ingaba nadlula-ke e-church office endleleni-ke eyakhona Marcel?
Asendlulanga.
No, we didn't.
In your presence, is there a document that was completed by Sergeant Mohane as an indication that he was now taking you back to a cell? If you can remember or estimate what was the time when you were booked back or taken back to your cell by Sergeant Mohane?
Uma kuwukuthi-ke uyakhumbula kwakubani isikhathi uma wabuyisela kona-ke amaselo uyena uSergeant Mohane?
Isikhathi bangangisho ukuthi angasiphethe, angaphethe lutho, ngisho iwasha ngafakile.
As I'm saying that I did not have time, I did not even have my watch on.
There is evidence that on the 25th of June 2020, you were released, unconditionally released. The matter was not enrolled. That is a possession of a firearm case. Were you told of the reasons why the matter was not enrolled?
Kunobufakazi-ke la obuthi-ke ngazo i-25 kaJune 2020 wadedelwa-ke udedelwa-ke kungekho migomo-ke oyibekelwayo-ke noma oyinikwayo-ke ukuthi-ke icala lakho-ke lalingekho ngalelo langa kuhlalwa amacala asenkantolo. Ingaba watshelwa yini isizathu sokuthi kwakungani ukuthi icala lakho lingekho emacaleni okwakufanele ukuthi abe ngaphambi kwenkantolo ngalelo langa?
He put it, Mr. Zungu, in 2017 at Foslo Race, as per the testimony of this witness. But by then, he did not know him, who he was. And then in 2019, when they met for the second time in Tembisa, where, according to the testimony of this witness, Mr. Zungu took a photo of accused number one without accused number one's knowledge. Then it is on that date when he started to know him. Not what the state indicated that he started as the correction that he wanted to bring to the attention of the court. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Baloi, we were putting to the witness what he said, and we said that means that they knew each other. It's just not a question of seeing someone. They were together. It means they knew each other. Yes, and he said he cannot comment on that. So it's really a matter for argument.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Sibiya ukuthi-ke ubulungisa lokho bekushiwa uyena-ke umshushisi ukuthi waqala-ke ukuthi umazi noma uhlangane naye uConstable Zungu ngo-2017 ukuthi-ke ubulungisa lo ukuthi-ke bengasilona-ke iqiniso-ke lokho. Umshushisi usethi-ke mina-ke kuloko bengikusho noma ngikufunda kufakazi ngisho inkulumo yakhe ofakazi ukuthi wahlangana noConstable Zungu u-accused number one kanye naye-ke uMakhosonke behamba ngemoto yamaphoyisa. Kusho lokho-ke ngokukamshushisi kusho ukuthi labantu bebazana ngoba bebehamba bebendawonye ngaleso sikhathi leso uthi iloko bekusho kuphela.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Mohan.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, I'll ask Advocate Baloi, my colleague Advocate Baloi, to repeat a question that he asked the witness, which relates to a statement or the evidence which was put on record by Mr. Mngomezulu, the late Mr. Mngomezulu. Because the way I captured the question, the wording of that paragraph is not in the context that the question was posed to the witness.
Okay. Are you listening, sir?
They say you're quoting or misquoting Mr. Mgomezu, the late Mr. Mgomezu.
Yes.
Context-wise.
Yes. We have the extract of the record.
Yeah.
It's on the 23rd of January 2024. It starts on page 25. It was during the cross-examination of Brigadier Gininda by Mr. Mgomezulu. Then reference was made to Mr. Simpiwe Buthelezi and Advocate Nisi. Then also joined the fray at that point. And the court then said, and we see that at line 19, the court said, no, I don't want secrets, just read that, just read the statement of Simpiwe Buthelezi. And the portion that we referred to, it's on page 29 of the record of the 23rd of January 2024, when Brigadier Gininda was still reading into the record the statement of Simpiwe Buthelezi. And this we see from lines 4 to 9 of page 29, and it reads as follows. There was a time in 2014 when I used to hang out with the homies from KwaNongoma. And the names of those people, my lord, Carlos, Mapisa, Nkani, and Muzi, in a room where Gwabeni resides. Gwabeni is also from KwaNongoma.
Lana ke umshushisi uthi ke baze balithola ke iphepha leli bebelibheka ke noma bebelifuna ubufakazi bange 23 January ngo-2024 lana ke kwaku ongasekho ke noma usewashona ke ubaba uMngomezulu ehloma ke imibuzo kuyena uBrigadier Gininda wasecela ke yena ubaba uMngomezulu ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda akafundeke lokho ayethi ke kwakuyistatement sakhe uSimpiwe Buthelezi ifundeka ngalendlela ke kwakunesikhathi ngo-2014 la khona ke esasivamise noma ke sesijwayele ukuthi ke sibe ndawonye noma sihlale ndawonye ke nabakhaya ababuya kwaNongoma amagama alabo bantu ngosenkantolo uCarlos Mapisa Nkani kanye noMuzi kwigumbi lakhe lala uGwabeni ayehlala khona noma kwiroom lala uGwabeni ayehlala khona uGwabeni naye ubuya kwaNongoma.
I don't know in which respect Advocate Ngumala says we are misquoting the record.
So you are reading from your notes?
Not from my notes.
Oh, I see. From the records also?
My understanding, my lord, is that Brigadier Gininda was requested to read the statement into the record.
Yeah,
so
quite.
The wording of the statement is not according to what was read by Brigadier Gininda. May I read the paragraph of the statement?
Read it, because I don't have any statement.
Yes. It's a statement of Simpiwe Buthelezi, my lord. It reads as follows. It's paragraph 8 of the statement.
So do you have paragraph 8 of the statement of Buthelezi? Read by Gininda.
Well, we're working on the record.
He says also he's working on the record. You also.
My lord, Brigadier Gininda is requested to read from the statement of Buthelezi, which is what the state is reading.
Gininda was supposed to read from the statement